Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, today I'm going to be showing you how I did these gorgeous 30 inches real locks from JanetCollection. It's actually crochet hair, but I did it as singles. As you guys can see, you guys know I always do my crochet as singles because I hate the look of crochet. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. It's a very simple method that has been on YouTube for a while, so it's not a new technique, but it's a very effective technique if you want to do these kinds of locks and you don't want to actually waste time like twisting and wrapping and doing all of that. It's actually pretty fast. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I used, how many parts of hair did I use? I can't remember right now, but I'm going to include it in the video. So yeah, let me just turn around and show you guys the locks. 30 inches, super long, very beautiful. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on notification bell to be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, okay, so I have locks in now, like those very long 30-inch Rihanna type locks. I'm using crochet hair from JanetCollection. This is what I'm using to do the locks, the Nala Tress Premium Edition real locks, 30 inches as you guys can see. And I have color 1 because I wanted to do straight black. It comes in 1, 1B, 2, 4, 27, 30, 33, 99J, 613, burgundy, and 280. So I've done most of my head. I just have these front, literally 5 sections more to go. So as you guys can see, I have my hair pre-twisted. So these are the sections that I'm going to be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is what one of the locks looks like. As you can see, it's crochet, so it has a loop where you literally pass this. If you're doing crochet, if you're doing the regular crochet method where you pass this through and crochet to your hair, so it just looks like a regular long thick lock. You guys know I don't like to do like the regular crochet method. I always find a way to use crochet hair to do singles because I just prefer the way singles looks. It's more versatile if you want to style and stuff. So today I'm going to be doing the tucking method to attach this to my hair. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, and to be honest with you, the less dense and the shorter your hair is, the easier this method is, honestly, because when I was doing like the rest of my hair, as I divided my hair into twists, I think I have about, let's say 56, I guess 56 twists in my hair. So some twists are a bit chunkier than others because I didn't do the exact same size of sections all over, but parts of my hair where the twists were thicker, it was much more difficult to pass the twist through the lock. So if your hair isn't as thick or if your hair isn't as long, this method is actually going to be much easier for you to do because it's much easier for your hair to pass through the lock. I'm going to pass the latch hook through. So you take the lock that is on the latch hook and you close it like that and just pass the hair through. Simple. See? Pass it through, pull it to the end like that. And then you take this and you pass it through into the lock like that. You see? And then you put the hair on the latch hook, your twist, and you pull it through like that. You see that? You push this to the top. Okay, so now we're going to like finish the entire thing. So just keep doing it stage by stage. If you have longer hair, I advise you to go stage by stage. Don't try to pull the entire thing at once. Just go stage by stage to do this. You see that? You see? and that is how you attach. You see how I did that? Very easy, very straightforward. That is how you attach this lock to your hair. If you want to take it out, literally just pull it out and slide it out. It's very easy to do. So let's go ahead and finish up the rest. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys like the locks. Personally, I'm in love with these locks. 30 inches real locks from JanetCollection. After I take these out, I'm going to leave them in for probably like 2 weeks. But after I take this out, I'm actually going to reinstall them again in December for my birthday, because this is definitely going to be my birthday hair. I love these locks. Like, I wore them out last weekend. My friend's older siblings were around, so we decided to go out and I wore them out, and I got so many compliments on the locks. People were asking me where I got them done, how I did them and everything. So these locks are just gorgeous. Yeah, all the information is going to be down below, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos or my spring twist videos on this side. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.